the strong and economical tool for high-feed milling process. Controllo HRMD. The cost-effective tool shows strong cutting performance. HRMD. The special design of cutter and special cutting edge of insert of HRM and HRMD materializes superior high quality and high feed processing comparing to existing products. Also, it is the high feed tool that materializes strong insert cooling effect and chip discharge ability through internal lubrication system. HRM prevents the vibration of cutting edge by which double clamping system and three-corner insert materialize high precision rate. Also, by adopting low cutting resistance chip breaker, it materializes excellent surface roughness at high feed processing. The tool applied up to cutting depth 2.5 millimeters, feed by each insert 3.5 meters HRM. It is widely used in slot, slant, copy, helical processing, etc. The tool increases economy and processing quality by the application of 6-corner double-sided insert, HRMD. HRMD, the upgrade version of HRM, enables high-feed and multifunctional processing with high-quality, unique insert shape. The simple screw clamping type cutter guarantees the strong clamping ability. HRMD is a high-feed tool that ensures best quality and competitiveness by materializing the reduction of cutting load by the application of high rake angle chip breaker cutting edge. More than 30% faster cycle time than competitors. High-feed, strong tool that materializes the improved tool life up to 120%. HRMD. It materializes faster and economical processing.